Buntu and the bird. Buntu and the bird. Okay, children. Today you will repeat after me. Okay. Yes, you will tell the sentence. Okay. Now, children, see here. Buntu and tell me, children. Yes, the bird. Buntu and the bird. Okay, now I will turn the page. Okay, see here. Okay, tell me, children. Everyone, yes, is getting, yes, ready. Yes, children, tell me. Very good. For, yes, circle time. Okay, everyone, yes, is getting ready for circle time. Yes, okay. Now I will turn the page. Okay, see here. Can you tell me? Buntu is standing under, yes, the fan. Buntu is standing under the fan. Okay, now I will turn the page. Now see here, children. Can you tell me? Yes, he points. Yes, children, tell me. At the fan. He points at the fan. Yes, very good. Now I will turn the page. See here, children. There is a, yes, what is this? Small blue bird on the fan. There is a small blue bird on the fan. Yes? Okay. Now see here. The, yes, tell me, children. Blue bird flies away. The blue bird, yes, yes, flies away. The blue bird flies away. Yes? Okay. Now I will turn the page. See here, children. What is this? The children runs after the bird. The children run after the bird. The children run after the bird. Okay, now I will turn the page. See here. The bird is in the hallway. The bird is in the hallway. The bird is in the hallway. Yes? Okay. Now I will turn the page. The bird flies into a room. The bird flies into a room. Yes? Okay. Now I will turn the page. The bird is at the window. The bird, yes, tell me, children. Yes, is at the window. Yes? Okay. Now I will turn the page. See here. Buntu wants to help. Buntu wants to help. Okay, now I will turn the last page. See here. What is this? What do you think Buntu does? What do you think Buntu does? Okay, children. So children, today we have read the sentence Buntu and the bird. Buntu and the bird. Yeah, children? Okay. Are we able to read the sentence, children? Yes.